Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about OUO.io. Now this is a link shortener, very similar to AdFly. And I wanted to kind of give you my opinion on these shorteners and really to explain to you why I think you should keep away from this if you're really serious about building an established blog or website online. So this is a link shortener that the idea is that you just come along here and you paste a link in here and it'll give you a shortened version of that link. And I'm going to show you exactly what happens if you do that. So just before I start, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, this is OUO.io, and again, this is a link shortener website. I've got a dashboard here. Basically inside the dashboard, all you have is a main dashboard showing your stats. You have the various links that you can actually produce here. You have some referrals here, so you can go refer people. You have some tools, so you can get various types of tools here that you can actually have full banners on your particular site. You can have a script that you can put on your site and you actually have multiple links within your articles on your site, which looks very spammy and awful. Then you have your settings. Now I want to show you an example of this, because one thing I do want to really make clear is that you've got no control over what ads this site actually shows. Now the idea is that you would come along here and you just put any website in here and that website would be the one that it actually shortens. Now if I just go back inside my database and look at my links, this is a shortened version of that link, which doesn't look very nice. But the idea is I'm sending them over to the Apple website, right? Now if I just go ahead and show you what this does, I'm going to paste this in. This is the link that somebody would click to get over to the Apple website. And suddenly, out of the blue, look at this that it's just given me. So you're going to share this with your clients that are going to come to your blog, and this is the image they're going to see, which is absolutely horrendous. I'm not going to click on any of these. I've got no idea how this is actually going to turn off. But basically, you've got a website here that has just been interrupted by this advert. You're never going to see that person again. So if you're trying to get people over to your own website, or you've got various links within your particular article, and you try and put this on there, this is going to drive them away completely. So let me just show you one more example here. I'll just go to the Amazon website, do the same thing, and I'll go back inside my dashboard. Let's refresh that. I should have the Amazon there one now. And then go ahead and copy this. And again, I've got no control of the adverts this is showing people. So again, it's giving me this kind of dating thing. So this one just seems to specialize in dating websites. So guys, this is complete spam. All the other sites seem to be glowing about how much money this can earn you. But look at this, that this is actually giving you. It's absolutely horrendous. If I just go back to the earnings here, you will get earnings from this per 1,000 views, for instance. These are the various rates that you can get. So the UK, you can get $4.3 per 1,000 views apparently. United States, $4.1, etc, right? But the point is, if you were to have AdSense on your site, which is a lot more legitimate by Google and a lot safer, because the type of adverts they're going to show are going to be applicable to the content of your site, then it's going to be a lot easier for you to earn money, guys. So I would tell you straight away to keep well away from this. This is a horrendous site, and if you're thinking about trying to use any of these types of link shorteners, AdFly is the same. I'm going to do a review on AdFly at a later date. Then you need to keep well away as far as I'm concerned. So guys, you know, I hope if you come across this, you really veer away from this and learn how to make money online without resorting to these types of links. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to my channel before, you're interested in these types of reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I do new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a business online and you're trying to figure out how to make money, go ahead and hit the link in the description below. I will show you an alternative way using affiliate marketing that you can actually use to generate revenue from your blogs, from your videos. And it's a lot safer and a lot more long term than this. So go ahead and hit that link. I'll teach you how to do it completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.